Welcome back to another Ater video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to spread attention for Ater. Now, first of all, the reason I didn't make a video on Friday, nothing much really changed from what I said, just a little bit of more tightening consolidation. Now, firstly, on the news, we do get our first bearish article, which is weird because they always give out bullish Ater articles that I've seen. So, I don't know, there is a little bit of twist to the atmosphere right now, but it should be fine. Now, on the daily, we had this kind of pump upwards, got rejected at 565, which is kind of where we have key resistance. Came down and we scooped up. Now, this is kind of like a bullish pattern. When it like scoops up, it's like accumulation in a way. And it looks like we've just finished the scoop. And this could potentially be a handle. However, I don't really like track after hours. I believe it's like the least important thing. And yeah, there could be a good thing to see for tomorrow. We've got this nice accumulation and we keep consolidating higher and higher. Now, today is pretty much just going to be TA, and I know there's a bunch of lines on the screen, but I assure you they all mean something. Now, on my video on Thursday, which carried out to Friday, I drew out this bullish, this is going to be kind of like a lesson at the same time. This bullish pennant or bullish symmetrical triangle. Now, how you measure these is you take the flagpole from, which is the bottom to the top of the bullish flag or pennant or whatever, and you put it on top of where it breaks out. So right now I have where it should be like marking to, which is 740. However, the only exception to this is if there's resistance in the way. So for example, like over here, this bullish flag, when there was no resistance, it should have gone up a lot higher through technicals. But this is the second scenario I point out, is that we get stopped around 565 or the top of the supply zone, and we test that. Now, it looks like we did get stopped because we didn't get enough volume today to just burst through it. So I've got a few more scenarios. One is we just continue rallying up and we finish off this flagpole. Two, this turns into a bullish flag. This is a bullish flag. It's where it kind of comes down a little bit and it's not like a triangle as much as this. And this could be a bullish flag. So if so, this comes down, consolidates in between this trend line, which is from the original bullish pennant, and this trend line, which I see to be kind of important as we've rejected from it at very high run-ups in the recent times. Coming down here, or worst case scenario, this could be a huge descending triangle, which we'll get into that if that comes to fruition, but I don't think it is, so I'm not even going to talk about that right now. So we've got this bullish flag, and I marked out the pole. This would have us a nice run up to about 650, which is reasonable. I'll be happy with 650. I'm still holding no matter what, and we need the RSI to cool off a little bit more before we could possibly get a move this high sustainably. And now my last one is that this bullish flag breaks downwards off this trend line and using the bottom of the supply zone, and we come down 6% from the bottom before we break out to about 478, which is a very key level. And if we break below this, could be seeing $4. I feel like there's a lot of attention in Ater, especially with the upcoming catalyst of earnings, and we should be fine. So tomorrow what I'm looking for is, as we close, oh yeah, one more thing, 3 white soldiers. Now, 3 white soldiers is when you get 3 green candles like this at the end of a downtrend. It means it's a sign of a reversal. So come down here, you've got this green thing. And this is good because it bounces off this resistance. So it's like a true break. If it breaks up and keeps breaking, it's not a really good thing. If it breaks, comes down, tests it and bounce, it's a true break. This is a true break, comes down and you get 3 candles, 3 green candles, kind of symbolizing that this is a bullish kind of territory. Now, be interesting to see what happens. I really want us to gap up and pre-market over this, or we just get a huge amount of volume tomorrow and we break through these 2 or these 3 levels and eventually come up to 750, which I'm not going to be taking profits, just a quick TA, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys in the next one.